Hi, I'm Thelma. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you my very first DIY I Love Valentines episode 1 for 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first DIY is this Happy Valentine's Day sign. I'm going to keep everything the same. The only thing I'm going to do is add a bow. And it's going to be a very simple bow. All you have to do is bring your ribbon over, measure it, make sure this will look good. Okay, now flip it one time. Now I go ahead and crunch this together. I'm not cutting on each side because I plan on using this in a different DIY. Now go ahead and cut the ribbon to where it's on the back. Add a tie. Let me go ahead and make this shorter. I'm just redoing this because I got it tangled up. Now fluff the bow. I'm just cutting this down. All you need is a real small chenille stem. Now, and I made a mistake. I won't be reusing this ribbon because I'm going to glue it on. Now just twist it about 3 times. Now fluff your bow. On each side. Real simple, easy bow. Alright, you'll need your glue gun for this. So put a good decent amount of glue on it. And just stick it right in the center where the heart is. Push down. Now, doesn't that make it look more high end and a little bit more pretty for the Valentine season? Okay, set that one aside. Now your next project, you will need one of these signs. It doesn't have to be the brown one, it can be the white one. Take off the rope to hang it and put it aside. Now I've already painted this twice with some apple barrel number 20503E white, 50 cents a bottle from Walmart. Now you will need one large, if you want to do it the way I am, I have the pink and then white and then red. Okay, now what you do, just put a little bit of glue on each of these little spots right here. And on the bottom. Kind of be fast so the glue doesn't dry. Okay, now let's flip it over. Well, scratch that. I put the glue on the wrong side. Okay, I grabbed another pink one. You want to flip it over to the white and put your glue. Just put a little here and there, especially on the top, sides, and bottom. I got confused because you flip the pink over and it's white, and so is the red. And I have a white one that I'm going to be putting on. But it's easy to fix it. Just push down. Now I have the white one. Let's see. This is the back. Now make sure you do the back because it's sort of raised here, and that way you know you have the front on the white one. And just flip it over. I need another glue stick. And we're going to put a bow on this too, and then we're going to put the rope back on it. Watch your fingers. And now on the red one, see how it's white on the back? Okay. Make sure it doesn't stick. And if it bends over, just flatten it out. Let me get that glue off my finger. If there's any hanging up here. Now, flip it up and do the very bottom. Now see where it sticks up? Because each one of these are different made. If you have any of those finger protectors, that would be a good thing to use with this. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the red with the hearts on it, and we're just going to make a little bow. Take your ribbon, measure it, because your rope's going to go right there. Flip it over once. Now take it and squeeze it through, and then see if you have the size you want. Okay. Now cut it behind the bow, that way you can't see it. Get you some more chenille stem. Tighten it about 2 or 3 times. Put you just a little glue on it like you did the other one. That's how much I put on it. Put it right in the center. Now, take your rope and these little things on the end, just push them right back through. And make sure you just pull it. Okay. Now, let me get this. This is the second project. Okay, for the next project, we have this Hug, Kiss, Love burlap banner. What you need to do is get the smallest of the hearts, dollies, and put it in between both of them. Now just make a line. Measure it, make sure you have it even. Press down where the glue is. And we go all the way around like that. Push on the bottom, make sure it's glued. Now let's do the top. This makes it look so much more elegant and high-end. Just go real fast all the way on one side. Make sure you have it in the center. Push it down. That glue off my fingers. Yeah, I have those finger safeguards. You get 3 of them in a pack from the Dollar Tree, and they work real good, but I keep forgetting to grab mine. Okay, let me get that glue off my finger. Now I'm going to use the red with the white again. This is my ribbon from my stash that I have on hand. I ordered some because every time I go up to Dollar Tree, all but for the solid colors, they're out of the ribbon, so I went ahead and ordered a case of that and a case of the Easter, and that way I don't have to worry about it. But I took some bows apart, and just so I can have some to make do until they come in on the 26th, and you can order them and have your stuff come directly to the store, and that way you don't have to pay no shipping. Just go to dollartree.com. You just have to create an account and but I find it faster after I create an account. I just write down the SKU number, what it is, and how much, because that means how many you're getting, and I order it over the phone. That way it's I don't know, it just, I like doing that better than doing it on the computer. You can do it any way you want. Now let's fluff this. I find it just to stick your finger through each side and pull it out, and then just fluff it like that. And then if the tail comes in, just push it back in there. Okay, well, there you go. Now, get you some glue on it. And stick it right in the center. Push down on it. Alright, and this is this DIY project. Alright, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell next to the subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video and you won't miss any. And leave a comment. I really enjoy reading the comments and answering them, and I look forward to have you newcomers as part of my YouTube family here on YouTube. And to my current subscribers, I want to thank you all for your love and support. It really means the world to me. Alright, thank you, and have a nice day.